You just announced a new process or system, and instead of excitement, you're met with blank stares, crossed arms, or outright resistance from your team. Why do teams push back against change, and what can leaders do to guide them through it? Resistance to change is one of the most common roadblocks leaders face. Even when the change is for the better or in people's best interests, they often fear disruption, uncertainty, and losing control. Today, we're going to talk about how to help your team embrace change with confidence. The most important thing for us to remember is that for most people, change triggers a psychological threat response. People resist not because they're difficult, but because their brain is protecting them from something unknown. What we could do as leaders is to acknowledge this discomfort out loud and let your team know you're with them. Yes, this is going to be different and hard, but we're going to do it together, is what we say. Sometimes as leaders, we get focused on execution when we need to talk about strategy. When we're implementing a significant change in our team, we need to talk about why it's important to do, not just what we're doing. We don't want to just say, we're getting new software and you all have to learn it. We want to say, this is going to be a change, but it's important to help us serve customers faster. Focusing on the purpose helps reduce resistance on our team. People tend to be more supportive of solutions that they help to build. Research from McKinsey shows that transformation success increases by 30% when employees are involved early in the change process. When making any kind of change, we want to ask employees for feedback, let them test out the options, and build the plan to roll out the solution. Now you have a few more techniques to help you get your team on board with change. Remember, change is uncomfortable for most people, but we can make it more comfortable by acknowledging that discomfort, emphasizing why the change is important and how it makes us better as a team, and getting the team involved in shaping a future that works for them. As usual, if you found this helpful, please like it and share it with someone who can use it. Tell us in the comment what's one thing you do to help your team adapt to change. If you're looking to up your leadership game this year, check out our online Be the Boss program, 16 lessons that will help you become the kind of leader you wish you had when you were starting out. Also, if you're an HR manager, a training manager, an executive, and you've got a bunch of managers you want to train no matter what level they're at, check out our Leadership Academy. It's a hybrid in-person and also remote coaching program that covers a lot of the material in the Be the Boss program and then some. The links for that will be the links for both of those programs will be at the end of the show and in the episode description. So go out there, do great things today, onward and upward.